Your phone buzzes. Urgent. Your package delivery failed. Click here to reschedule or it will be returned. You are expecting a package, so you click. Within a second, malware install on your phone and hackers now access to your banking apps, your photos and everything. You didn't get hacked through email. You got hacked through a simple text message. And hi, today we are talking about smishing, SMS phishing, the cyber attacks that exploding right now because everyone trusts the text message way more than their emails. Here's the terrifying reality. Americans received 19.2 billion spam text messages in just 1 month this year. 19 billion, and they are getting smarter. Hackers are now impersonating toll operators like EZPass, sending fake unpaid toll notices. They pretended to be your banks, your delivery services, even your boss. The message looks legitimate and they create urgency and they prey to on your trust. Why does missing work so well? Because we are trained to be suspicious of emails, but text feels personal and safe. We see a message from what looks like FedEx or our bank, and we react without thinking. One click, and the damage is done. The goal is to trick you into clicking malicious link, sharing personal information, or downloading the malware. So here's your defense. First, never click in unexpected text messages, even if they look urgent. If your bank texts you, close the message and call your bank directly. Second, check the sender's number. Legitimate companies use short code or official numbers, not random long numbers. Third, watch the urgency and threats. Your account will be closed or you own money immediately are huge red flags. And finally, enable spam filtering on your phone. Your text messages are no longer safe territory. Treat every unexpected text like a potential threat. When in doubt, verify through official channels, never through the links they provide. Have you received a suspicious text recently? Share what it said in the comments so other can learn. See you tomorrow with another cyber insights. Thank you for your time.